The ocean doesn't rush. It moves in its own rhythm, steady, endless, alive. When you walk by the sea, the world slows down, and you remember what peace sounds like. It's a language older than words, a song that has played since the beginning of time. With each gentle wave that kisses the shore, there's a quiet invitation to pause, to breathe, to simply be. This is where the noise of the world fades, replaced by the steady pulse of the planet. Here, you are not a visitor, but a part of the landscape, connected to the sand, the water, and the vast, open sky. Let the rhythm of the waves sync with your own heartbeat. Feel the tension in your shoulders begin to soften, your mind letting go of its tight grip on schedules and worries. This is the first step back to yourself. The sound of the waves resets your mind. Each crash and retreat washes away a little of your stressed noise, the thoughts, the tension you've been carrying. It's not just sound, it's therapy in motion. Close your eyes for a moment and just listen. Listen to the swell, the peak, the gentle hiss as the water recedes over the sand. It's a constant cycle of release and return, a natural meditation that requires nothing from you but your presence. This sound doesn't demand your attention. It simply holds space for you. It absorbs the chatter of your inner monologue, leaving behind a sense of clarity and stillness. It's as if the ocean is saying, "Let it go. I can hold it for you." And in that simple act of listening, you find a profound sense of relief, a mental cleansing that no amount of effort could achieve. The wind reminds you that you are part of something bigger. It clears the mind. It fills your lungs with life. Each breath, each gust, reconnects you with the present moment. Feel it on your skin, a gentle caress, or a powerful force, reminding you of the unseen energies that move through the world and through you. It carries the scent of salt and freedom, blowing away the cobwebs of When you open your arms to the wind, you are opening yourself to change, to movement, to the flow of life itself. There's an exhilarating sense of release in letting the wind have its way, a reminder that we don't always need to be in control. Just breathing it in is an act of renewal, a deep, cleansing sigh for your entire being. Every step on the sand is grounding. You feel the earth beneath you soft, alive, real. Your thoughts slow down. Your heartbeat aligns with the rhythm of the sea. This is not just a walk. It's a return to yourself. Notice the sensation of the cool, damp sand giving way under your feet, the way it molds to your every curve. This physical connection to the earth is a powerful anchor to the here and now. It pulls your awareness out of your head and into your body. With each step you leave a temporary imprint, a fleeting mark of your journey, only to be smoothed over by the next tide. It's a beautiful metaphor for life. We make our mark, but we must also learn to let go, to flow with the natural cycles of creation and release. Here, there are no notifications, no screens, no deadlines, just air, sound, stillness. The ocean teaches you to let go, to release what you can't control, and to trust the tide. Stand at the water's edge and watch the horizon. It is vast, endless, and completely unbothered by your to-do list. The ocean has its own agenda, its own powerful, unchangeable rhythm. In its presence, our human-made urgencies seem so small, so insignificant. This perspective is a gift. It frees you from the illusion of control and invites you to surrender. True stat, just like the tide. Things will flow in and out of your life in their own time. And in that surrender, you find an incredible lightness, a profound peace. Science says sea air is full of negative ions, natural energy that calms the nervous system and lifts your mood. But even without the science, you can feel it. The sea heals without words. It's a feeling that settles deep within your bones, a sense of well-being that permeates every cell. You breathe a little deeper here. Your smile comes a little easier. It's the inherent life force of this place, an invisible energy that recharges your spirit. The combination of sunlight, salty air, and the rhythmic sound of the waves creates a powerful elixir for the soul. It's nature's own prescription for stress, anxiety, and fatigue. You don't need to understand how it works to receive its benefits. You just need to show up and allow yourself to be held by it. In this quiet space, you start to hear your own thoughts again. Not the rushed ones, but the honest ones. The ones that remind you who you are and what truly matters. When the external noise is gone, your internal wisdom has a chance to speak. It whispers on the breeze. It emerges from the rhythm of the waves. Suddenly, solutions to problems seem clearer. Priorities realign. You remember your dreams, your values, the core of your being that often gets lost in the busyness of daily life. This is the clarity that comes from stillness. It's not about finding answers, but about creating the space for them to find you. The ocean is the perfect mirror, reflecting back to you the truth that was always within. Sometimes, peace isn't found in silence, but in the sound of the sea, the rhythm of life itself. Take a walk by the ocean. Let the wind clear your mind. Let the waves remind you you are exactly where you need to be. This place asks for nothing, yet gives everything. It offers a sanctuary where you can reset, reflect, and reconnect. The gentle power of the ocean reminds us that there is strength in softness, that there is wisdom in surrender, and that even after the most turbulent storms, the water will always find its calm. Carry this feeling with you. Let the memory of the waves be a source of peace you can return to any time, anywhere. Thank you for walking with us today.